Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, where my goal is to help you make better buying decisions. So today we're checking out a portable, tiny little PC or car vacuum. And it actually runs on USB or charges off a USB, has about 15 minutes of runtime by the company Bingogous. That's Bingogous. You can pick it up on Amazon. Let's go ahead and take a look and see actually what's in the box here. So you'll see, it's kind of hard to even tell that's a vacuum, but that's what it is. It is a vacuum. It says charging voltage is the 5 volts DC, and it's about 35 watt of the max power with lithium battery of 2000 milliamps, and that gives it about a running time of around 15 minutes. So if you have it in your car or your boat or RV, or even just for a computer, that should be plenty of time to do what you need to. Some of this other stuff is still always really funny with some of these import products. So it says portable and handheld, convenient to use. Comes with 2 suction nozzles to clean different occasions. Don't know what that is, but okay. The brush is used for cleaning the carpet, cushion, air conditioner outlet, and so on. Okay. The nozzle is slim and used for cleaning the gap. Cleaning the gap. Okay. Not sure about these specifications. There's a blower function, so you can go from suck to blow. All you Spaceball fans out there, you'll know that reference real good. And then also, it can clean the computer keyboard, sofa gap, windowsill, and dust from all corners, and other small thing, and prevent bacteria from nourishing. Those are really good specs. I really wish someone would reach out to someone to help write these before they print these boxes. But besides that, okay. Some of the writing on the box can be kind of silly, whatever. The biggest thing is what's inside this box, and then the review later. Does the thing actually do what it says? Well, I don't know about some of those specifications, but does the vacuum actually work, and is it worth the money? So let's check it out. It says on the side here, it says car, office, charging. I like these little icons so you can see there. Some of them are covered up. It looks like pet and home. And also on the Amazon profile, it says it's a 0.8 pound mini body wet dry vacuum for car, RV, and boat. I'm pretty sure this is not for wet applications. So that's kind of weird that that would say that on there. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box here. All right. So you have the little nozzle here. So that's one of the little nozzles. Use that for the gap. And then we have our little brush. All this is nicely wrapped up. Keep it nice and clean. So we have our little brush. That's going to be good for the keyboard and even for the car. And actually, we have a kitchen table that has like these small little grooves in it. That's a real pain with crumbs. Hoping this is going to be a great solution for that. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, I see a bag, my favorite. And then we have, looks like extender wand. Extender wand with a D, not extender wand. So there you go. There's that there. So that looks like a nice little extender with, go ahead and vacuum like that. Nice and nice and good. Little getting started guide. It says thank you for your order. Any questions? And this says Open Ye. So that's that. So it's sold. I guess that's the company, Open Ye. Bingogous, that's how you say it, is just the seller. And then we have our little USB. Looks like a regular USB charging cable there. Nothing too crazy. So if you lost it, you can always pick it up from Dollar Tree or someplace like that. Nice little carrying case. Love it. You know me with the carrying cases. Always nice to include. And that's it. It's about the size of a can of hairspray or a can of paint, and a little bit smaller. So let's see. So you got a filter inside, probably something that comes out and you can clean it. Let's see if that comes out there. It does. So you can probably clean it. I'm guessing you can probably buy replacements for that. And then let's see. got to put it in the right way there. Put it in straight, and then you can lock it. Okay, that's not that easy to do. All right. And then see if that works. No, we're gonna have to charge it up. Okay. Oh, whoa, it works. Gone from suck to blow. So here, let's see. You just put the attachment right in there, it looks like. It has, I mean, it's not. All right, so this is the blow side. It does say blow, and there's also the USB input there. And this is the absorb side. Absorb. And what it has inside, there's no way this is for wet applications. Let's see. Not too bad. It's got some decent suction for this size, and this is pretty good for definitely car or probably keyboard and stuff. So I'm looking forward to charging this up all the way. Turn that back off. And I see the red light comes on, so it probably does need to be charged, but you know, I'm looking forward to really checking this out. So of course, this is by the company Bingogous, and I guess the actual brand name is OpenYee, but the seller is Bingogous. But either way, this is I mean, it's nice looking. It's relatively compact. I've seen some like of the desktop vacuums that are a little bit smaller, but I'm going to charge it. We're going to check it out. We're going to see actually what it sucks up, and if it works, and actually if it's worth about $30-something or not. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and click that little bell icon to stay up to date with us. Again, I'm Alan, and we'll see you soon.